Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Accomplice. Today we are going to unbox HP laptop. Let's unbox this box. The top side we can see the logo here, and the bottom we can see the ventilations here, and the right side we can see a charging port, USB type C with a display port and two USBs, and after that we can see a HDMI, earphones, and after that SD card slot. The left side we can see a lock system and a Ethernet port and one more USB. Back side of this laptop we can see a ProBook, so let's open this. You can see a ProBook logo here. Getting a keyboard, a full size keyboard, to black color, nice. And we are getting i5 processor inside this, and the touchpad size is also decent size, it's a good enough. And also we have a fingerprint sensor here. On the top of this laptop we can see speaker grills. So let's power on this for the first time. So power on option is given here. This is nice, it's a good because delete should be here.
The base speed 2.6 GHz, socket 1 socket, cores 4 cores, and logical processors 8 processors. And virtualization is enabled in it. You can see. And memory is 16 GB. Disk size 500 GB.